Hello students. Hello students. This is exercise 4.2. Question number 3 we are solving, in which we are going to create a rhombus named as bend BEND. The two diagonals are given, that BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and D is equal to 6.5 centimeter. No other measurements are given. No single side measurement is given. So here we are using the property of the rhombus, that is diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. This property we are using. Okay, so if they diagonal, this is the diagonal, if another diagonal is bisect this one, it means that it get exactly divided into two half. So that I had made here the 6.45 is divided by 2, it gives 3.25 centimeter, and 5.6 upon 2, it gives 2.8 centimeter. It means that is right rough sketch I had drawn over here. It is the diagonal rhombus BEND, bend is there. So here two diagonal measurements are there. If this diagonal DE, if DE is a diagonal, then BN is the perpendicular on that. So it is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means that this part OD is equals to OE. That's why I had written here OD is equals to OE, and 6.5 get exactly divided into two half, that is 3.25. That's why it is a 3.25. Similarly for this diagonal BN, if it is the diagonal BN and DE is the perpendicular bisector, then it divides this diagonal into two equal halves, means OB is equals to ON. OB is equals to ON, and 5.6 centimeter is exactly divided into two halves, that is 2.8 centimeter. That we are going to construct. Here I had constructed one rhombus likewise. Now I am showing you how to construct this one. This I had constructed already. Now I am going to construct the diagonally. Here I have taken the BN as a horizontally. I am taking that BN as a diagonally over here. Okay, so BN is of, you can use DE also. Let me take the DE. I am taking the DE over here. DE is of DE, it is of 6.5 centimeter. So I am taking from here to here 6.5 centimeter, like this. Look here, 6.5 centimeter. This is our DE. Name of this is DE. Okay, so we need the perpendicular bisector for DE, means exact, we have to divide this DE into exact two equal halves. For that we need the compass. Take your compass, keep your sharp leg of your compass on one point of this DE. I'm keeping that on E. Set it more than half of this line and mark an arc above the line, above this line DE, and mark an arc below this line DE. With same measurement on the compass, go on to the point D and keep your sharp leg on that D and intersect that two arc that just you have to made over there. Okay, so here we got the 2 points. It is the perpendicular bisector. Join these 2 points over here. We have to join this point to this point. Okay, so I am joining that. Make a line, exactly line you have to make there. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector. Look how it is perpendicular bisector. I'll show you. If I keep the protector over here and match that baseline and that line, so it gives the exactly 90 degree. Look, exact 90 degree it is giving there. Okay, so it is the perpendicular bisector to line DE. Okay, so here we get the point of intersection as a O, but still we are not we don't have the BN point, because it is, this is a BN. For BN we read OB. Here somewhere we need the B, and here somewhere need the N. Okay, but where on this line? So that is decided by this measurement. OB, it is exactly divide that one, means DE also is the perpendicular bisector for this one. Look, if you keep this compost protector over here, it is also the perpendicular bisector for, means diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. So this is also the 90 degree, and this is also the 90 degree. So how much it is? Then it is the 2.8. So what, how much BO and ON? It is 2.8. So take set the 2.8 on your compass. 2.8. It is a 2.8. 2.8, exactly 2.8 you have to set. Yes, it is 2.8 now. Now keep this शार्प एज ऑन द सेंटर, इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट पे रखना है, और इधर आपको इसको एक आर्क बनाना है जो देगा आपको एग्जैक्ट बी पॉइंट, और इधर भी आपको, तो ये दोनों सेम मेजरमेंट के, तो इधर भी आपको एक आर्क बनाना है जो, सॉरी बराबर से बनाइएगा, ये हिलना नहीं चाहिए, हिल के आती है हट जाता है। ये 2.8 हमने ऐसा सेट किया था यहाँ पर, ये आ रहा है, और इधर हमारा 2.8 ये लाइन आएगी, ठीक है। द मेजर आर्क, जो बड़ा आर्क मैंने बनाया है वो हमारा 2.8 हो रहा है। सो यहाँ पर हमको मिल रहा है पॉइंट एन, और यहाँ पर पॉइंट मिल रहा है हमको पॉइंट बी। देखिए ये 2.8 होता है एग्जैक्टली 2.8 कितना देना चाहिए इसने, 5.6 देना चाहिए। देखिए 5.6 दे रहा है एग्जैक्टली, ये दिख रहा है आपको डॉट और ये डॉट। ओके, सो दैट नाउ जॉइन दैट लाइन डी, वर्टेक्स D2 बेंड होना है ना हमको, बेंड। सो हियर B to E, use your pencil, I am using the pen because some, then E to N, yes it is the N, okay. So and then the N to D, right now N to D, and here D to B, right. So here there are the rhombus B E N D, right, and here the center O, and these are the two perpendicular bisectors. Okay, so understand how I had drawn that. Okay, so here also it is B E N D, likewise or likewise you can do. See, here are the measurement. BO is of 2.8 and it is of 2.8, both are equal. Okay, and here the OD is 3.25, and here the OD is 3.25. These two are equal. If you measure with the scale, it will come exactly. Okay, so this is the rhombus that we had created. Sorry, we had constructed by using the two diagonal values, only by using the only two diagonal values. Hope you understand.